Hello, welcome everyone to the Web3 Education Investment. And today in this video, I'm going to share the good news about Acala. And so the DeFi hub of Polkadot, they just released the staking. So now if you have the Acala, you can do the staking and earn actual rewards. And so keep in mind, Acala, they don't have inflation. So the more Acala you get, you will just get more weight in the overall 1 billion tokens. So now let me go ahead to demo how you could do the how you could participate the Acala staking. So first of all, you should get some Acala. If you participate in their crowd node, you should be able to have it already. So for example, I do have some Acala. This is from the crowd node. So that's a reward, and you should go to the app. So go to the app and connect to your wallet. And after that, you should go to the earn. So click the earn, and after you click the earn, on the top there is a collateral staking. And so here you can do the stake. So you can click the button stake. Make sure don't use a maximum, because you want to keep some Acala in the future. If you want to do on stake, you need to pay some fees. So you don't want that happen. In the future, you don't have any Acala to pay for the fee. So you cannot use your rewards or the staking Acala to pay for the fee. So I'm going to keep a little bit Acala so to pay the fees in the future. So you need to stake. I think you need to stake at least 4 months to get the full rewards. But of course, you can unstake anytime. It's just you may not be able to get all the rewards. But anyhow, for me, Acala, I don't know how to use them, and I would be happy to stake and forget about it. So I will just stake here. So it will ask you to put password, and then it will be submitted. And so it should take a little bit time, and then you can stake your Acala. Okay, so just wait now, and in the future you can unstake whenever you need. You can unstake that. So let's see how many Acala reward I can get. So so it's done. So I stake this many, and now I can just forget about that. If you check my previous video, I also do some other liquidity staking. So you can see the Acala I already earned 0.3. So it's not too many, but it's okay. I mean, that's just the actual rewards you will earn, right? Actual Acala you can get. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, and if you don't want to miss any future opportunities or any future videos, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.